In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary domain in Siteground, and we'll walk through this process step by step to ensure it's completed smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're adjusting your website strategy or simply rebranding, changing your primary domain is a straightforward process on Siteground, and you can do it in just a few minutes. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Siteground's homepage at world.siteground.com. Once you're there, you'll find the login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you happen to forget your login information, there are options to recover or reset your details, so don't worry about getting locked out. Once logged in, you're directed to your main account page. From here, you want to look for a section or tab labeled Websites. This is usually easy to spot, often at the top or to the side, depending on the layout of your account dashboard. Clicking on Websites will display all the domains currently associated with your SiteGround account. Now you'll notice next to your listed domains, there's a small three-dot icon. This symbol is a common feature across many websites and applications, often indicating further options or settings you can adjust. Click on this icon next to the domain you wish to change. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among these, locate and select Change Primary Domain. This option is typically available only if you have multiple domains, as it allows you to update which domain is considered the primary one for your account. Having clicked on Change Primary Domain, you will be prompted to enter the new domain details. It's crucial during this step to ensure that the new domain is fully registered and properly pointed to SiteGround servers to avoid any downtime or errors. If your new domain isn't correctly set up, you might encounter connectivity issues or site inaccessibility. If you're unsure, double check your domain settings with your registrar to confirm everything is in order. Once you've entered the new domain details, look for the confirmation button, usually labeled as Confirm or Save Changes. Click on this to finalize your update. Depending on the server's or domain's current status, the change may take effect immediately or might require a short period to fully propagate. It's a good idea after completing this process to test your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly with the new domain. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your primary domain on Siteground. This method ensures that your website maintains its availability to your audience with minimal hassle. If you encounter any challenges, Siteground's support team is there to help, providing expert assistance to make sure your domain transition is as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching and happy site managing.